economy changed over time. In 1800, 75% of people worked in primary in farming, fishing and mining, taking things from the ground. 15% of people worked in secondary, which is manufacturing and making things. And 10% of people worked in tertiary, providing services. How has that changed though? So moving forward 100 years to the year 1900, it's changed a lot. 30% of people working in primary, 55% of people working in secondary, and 15% of people working in tertiary. That's because of things that are going on in this picture. So the Industrial Revolution, okay, between the year 1800 and 1900, lots of factories were built, more people moving from countrysides to cities, working in factories, and increasing the jobs in that sector. That's changed again though, moving from 1900 to the year 2000. The secondary sector's decreased massively, the tertiary sector has increased hugely, and we even have the development of the quaternary sector as well. Jobs that are involved in science and research, really high-end jobs. Why has that changed so much though? Because of these three reasons: deindustrialisation, globalisation, and government policies. The first reason, deindustrialisation, lots of factories have closed over the last 50, 60 years. Lots of factories now have increased mechanisation, where factories have machines and robots to do the jobs that people normally would have in the past, so less people work in that sector, which has led lots of factories being closed. Places are derelict, especially regions in the Black Country in Birmingham. Globalisation has also decreased the secondary sector as well, okay? Because of transport changes, things like big container ships and airplanes, things can be made in other countries and imported into this country. In places like China, they have less rules, so it's cheaper for them to make goods in this country and pay people less. So our TNCs, our transnational companies, things like Coca-Cola, they can make goods cheaper in those countries. We also have government policies as well. So under Margaret Thatcher in the 1980s, she removed subsidies for coal. So it was actually cheaper to import coal from other countries, which means that lots of coal mines in this country closed down.